My colleague Deepika joins me from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Hi Deepika, a very good morning to you. What's the latest that you're getting for us from there?
Good morning, Siddharth. We are right now in Madurai, and at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, according to the Indian Standard Time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to arrive in Madurai, where he will gift Madurai a lot of infrastructural-led projects. This includes development for highways, this includes development for FM, relay transmitters. This also include 8 Amrit Bharat stations and its development. So the overall project that is aimed at driving the pathway of Tamil Nadu to progress is costing at around 4,400 crore rupees that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to lay the foundation of and also inaugurate. And apart from that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will then visit the temple here, Arulmugai temple, and then after that he will of course perform darshan and puja there, and after that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to attend a public rally and address the people of Madurai here in Tamil Nadu. So this is the day schedule of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where the plan begins with all the infrastructural led projects with its announcement and laying the foundation stone, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also be visiting the exhibition at the airport itself, near the airport, where the National Highways road plan is also has been laid down, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be taking a look of it, that how the development project is going to look like. So this is how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to have his schedule here in Madurai from 3 o'clock onwards, Siddharth.
Definitely. And I believe, Deepika, you are at the rally ground right now. How is the reaction coming in from people? What are they saying? How happy are they?
We are not at the rally ground, Siddharth. We are at the official function where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to lay the foundation stone of various development-led projects. And this is the place where the foundation stone of the national national highways is going to take place. That includes various development-led projects like the 4-laning of Marakkaram Puducherry section of NH 332A. Apart from that, 4-laning of Paramakudi and Ramanathapuram, which is the section of NH 87, is going to take place. If you talk about the national highways project, it costs somewhere around 4,010 crore rupees, apart from the rest of the projects which Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to lay and inaugurate today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi at this particular location where we are is going to visit the exhibition also, which has been prepared for Prime Minister's Prime Minister's knowledge, that how the projects are going to look like and how they are going to ease the economy of Madurai by not only aiding to the economic prospects of Madurai, but also making the lives of common people of Madurai easy, because this will connect various important places, not only the religious places, but places which are of economic importance to Madurai. Siddharth.
Okay, Deepika, we leave it there. Thank you.